In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete experience in a LinkedIn profile. If you want to remove an old job, a duplicate role, or any position that no longer belongs on your profile, LinkedIn makes it fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. Click the Me icon, which opens your account menu. From there, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page where you can review and manage the information that appears in your professional history. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you reach the Experience section. This is the area where LinkedIn lists your current and past job positions. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section, especially if your profile includes several categories like education, certifications, or skills. Next, click the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil, on the right side of the Experience section. This opens the editing view for your work history and allows you to manage the positions listed there. If you have multiple roles in this section, be careful to choose the right one before making any changes. Now find the specific position you want to remove. Once you locate it, click the Edit icon next to that individual job entry. This opens a pop-up window with the details for that role, such as job title, company name, dates, and description. Before deleting anything, it's a good idea to quickly double-check that this is the exact position you intended to remove, since deleting it will take it off your profile. After that, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up window. You should see the option labeled Delete Experience. Click that option to begin removing the job from your profile. LinkedIn will then ask you to confirm the action. Click Delete again to confirm. Once you do that, the experience entry will be removed from your profile. And that's it. The position should no longer appear in your experience section. If you're cleaning up your profile, this can be a helpful way to keep your work history accurate, relevant, and easy for recruiters or connections to understand. Just make sure you only delete positions you truly no longer want displayed.